Hey guys, in this quick audio message, I wanted to talk a little bit about timing because timing is everything. Timing is everything when it comes to life. Timing is everything when it comes to trading. And timing is certainly everything when it comes to trading short term. When we're talking about catching a money flow move that is happening now. So in terms of life, hey, you really wanted to talk to a girl, but somebody just walked up to her right before you opened your mouth. And he beat you by a few seconds. And you just stood there and you didn't do shit about it. And that's why the girl you wanted is now with somebody else. Don't repeat the same mistake with trading, okay? Don't be the guy that's sitting there eyeballing a perfect trade. And the moment you decide to take it, well, shit. The trade is gone because now it's gone exponentially higher and you're sitting there beating yourself, saying like, man, why didn't I just get in early? Why didn't I just do it? And so the timing is critical, okay? As much as I dislike Soros, he's put his billions of dollars, because his timing was right. He borrowed some money from Bank of Indonesia. Put a big bet on British pound collapse, and there it was. It was a matter of timing. See, if you missed that timing, who knows, okay, how the future would have unfolded for Soros. If Paul Tudor Jones missed the timing of 1987 crash, who knows, okay, how much longer he would have to work at finding the next opportunity like that, which didn't present itself till 20 years later, right? So timing is everything. Timing, as far as a trader, is probably the most critical thing. And the reason people are telling you, well, timing, you can't time the market. You know who tells you cannot time the market? Or who tells you can't time a trade? Is people that have tried to time the market and they failed. Okay? It's people that were trying to go for the prom queen and somebody else beat them to her. It's people that were trying to go for a trade yesterday or today, and then they were sitting looking at the fucking chart and they didn't do nothing and the trade ran away. Okay? Such as the trade that we've put together on Bitcoin puts, Ethereum puts. It was like no volume, nothing was happening. All of a sudden, boom, crypto's lower. Beautiful move, okay? Not a ton of money if you traded on futures, but a ton of money if you trade with options. And so some of you been listening to the messages, but guys, you're missing timing. You're missing timing on trades that you're not even looking at. So timing is critical because if you miss timing, it could take so much longer, okay, for you to wait till get that timing again. And for some traders, unfortunately, the timing never comes. So the most critical aspect is this. Most of the traders that deposit money into their trading account, they're like, look, I'm going to deposit this much, and then I'm going to work this amount to this amount, and then from there, I'm going to work it to this amount. Okay, and by doing so, they end up taking mediocre bullshit trades, and that's why they deposit the money, and then the fucking money is gone. They got to deposit more money, and so on, and it just it's guys, focus on the timing of the fucking trade. Okay, you're gonna end up taking less trades, and you're gonna end up making a lot more fucking money. So, where am I going with this, guys? The timing is now. Okay, for those of you that understand meme coins, you understand how critical this timing is right now. How critical the timing is when we're launching the Trumpy Dance Memecoin on Monday, the 13th. It's no shocker to anyone. Why would we launch a coin on the 13th, guys? Where 30 market moves. What better date to pick to launch a coin than the 13th? So if you believe in 30 market moves, be ready Monday, May 13th, 2024. And for those of you, they're like, Leo, man, there's no way. Trumpy, Dance, what kind of meme coin is that? Guys, we do stuff here at 30 Market Moves that very unorthodox, very fucking wild at times. Okay, people try to duplicate and mimic the shit that we do, and unfortunately, not many people succeed. So sometimes you got to be pioneer of things before the world changes its conventional ways of the way they do things. So the way we're doing Trumpy Dance is in a way that nobody has launched a meme coin, in a way that nobody has saw the way the chart of a meme coin can go. So I want, for those of you that are on the sidelines and you're like, Leo, I'm not doing anything until I see a live chart on Trumpy Dance Coin. I want to invite you, okay? We'll send you free popcorn, guys. No problem. Just reach out, schedule a call, go to www.trumpydance.com. We'll send you any fucking popcorn you want, whatever flavor you want. You want chocolate, whatever kind you want, we'll send it to you. But I want you to grab that popcorn Monday, and I want you to sit inside of your computer. Put it on a big screen, okay? Because that will really be a show. You're going to be watching the chart of Trumpy Dance Memecoin go to the fucking moon on day one, okay? And some of you are going to be like, well, Leo, how long is the show? Well, if you want to watch it for the first 24 hours, okay, this shit just going to be, all you're going to be seeing is fucking green candles, and that I promise you, okay? So if you wanted to really see how a bullish move looks, okay, this is a move 7. Okay, so if you look at the Trumponomics, or the tokenomics, in other words, of this Trumpy Dance coin that we're launching, it's 7 billion tokens. Okay, and it's gonna be a move 7. It's gonna be a move 7 on Trumpy Dance on day 1. All right, it's gonna be a move 1 on day 2. It's going to be 7, 1, 7, 7, 7, 7. This thing is going into a stratosphere, guys. And if you just want to watch a preview, just watch the first 30 minutes of Trumpy Dance trade. Okay, it's going to blow your mind, guys. You think SMCI at some point between last year and this year has been bullish? You've seen some green candles on that. That's going to, Trumpy Dance is going to put SMCI to shame, okay? You're going to be like, look, if you got some friends, invite them over, because you're like, man, we're going to watch a rocket, you know? So sometimes, you know, Elon Musk would go launch some rockets out there, and they would fail. I'm telling you, Trumpy Dance rocket, okay, is the only sure thing as far as the chart's concerned that you could be watching instead of a rocket launch. Okay, that shit is going to go into stratosphere. And at some point you're going to realize, you know, how did Leo know this? How did he predict it? How can he be so confident about it, guys? Look, we've predicted a lot of things in the past that was highly accurate. Now, sometimes we cannot predict artificial markets where shit happens because, you know, of conditions that are totally, totally just unprecedented. The kind of markets we have right now, the market has 107 reasons to drop, and it's plus minus 20 points every day. This kind of artificial market conditions are total bullshit. And so the market will collapse over the course of the next 6 months. That's a given. And the only thing I think at this point that CNBC is going to be able to talk about in the news is going to be like, God damn, this Trumpy Dance, it's still up. Man, Trumpy Dance is going strong. Trumpy Dance is up again. Man. This is how basically, I mean, for those of you who have been around for a little while, you remember when CNBC used to be like a regular news TV channel that talked about stocks, and then something happened to CNBC back in 2017, and they had to really hire a set of crew to just cover Bitcoin news. So what I'm predicting, there could be a moment in the next 6 months where CNBC is going to have to hire just people just to cover the Trumpy Dance coin, because it's going to be a fucking shocker to the world. People are going to be looking at it and they're going to be like, what the fuck? How can this thing just keep going higher? Okay? And if you don't talk to your friends about it right now, I promise you in the next few months, your friends are going to be calling you and be like, dude, have you heard about this Trumpy dance? What the fuck is this? And that's going to be a moment in like 2 or 3 months. And the world is just going to begin to realize what that is. Imagine what's going to be happening 6 months from now when Trump wins the elections on November 6th. Imagine where this coin is going to go then. It's going to go into the fucking stratosphere. But you're listening to this message now on May 11th, 2024. Just a couple of days before the meme coin that nobody yet knows around the world is going to be launched. And the entire world is going to be talking about it in the next 6 to 12 months. And yet, you get to hear about it now. And I want you guys to understand, when the whole world is talking about this meme coin and people and your friends are calling you about it, okay, you will recognize that your time following 30 market moves was not for no reason. Some traders come and go. Some traders stay. Some traders stay true to a system. And if you don't give up on that system, at some point it's going to pay. It's going to pay out big when the timing is right. For some of you, the timing has not come yet. And that is why I'm recording this message on timing today, to let you know that the timing is now. And you may be wondering, Leo, the last 15 videos you recorded are all about this meme coin. I don't want anything to do with meme coins. Look, life is weird. You know, sometimes you're going to meet a person, you're going to meet a girl. You're going to think like, man, she's not even my type, right? And then you're going to end up marrying her and you're going to be like, man, she's a really beautiful person. I can't believe, the first time I didn't think she was cool or attractive or whatever. Weird shit is going to happen in life. So maybe you're not attracted to meme coins right now. Maybe you think they're a sack of shit. Maybe you think they're whatever. It doesn't matter. As a trader, as a true trader, okay, you trade whatever has a chart. And Trumpy Dance Memecoin will have its chart on Monday. The birth of greatness will be on May 13th, 2024. A chart that the world has never seen before is going to be born. Will you show up with the flowers to participate in that celebration? Is up to you. I am telling you in this message that the timing is here for those that are ready. The timing is here to go to the promised land for those that are ready. And for those that are doubting, standing on the sidelines, you got a couple of days till May 13th to review at least the last 20 videos we posted about this. At least the last 100 videos we've posted about the market. And when you put the 2 and 2 together, you understand. It is inevitable that you will understand why Trumpy Dance Coin is going to the moon while the rest of the market could be crashing. And then you would understand why we would invent such a meme coin that nobody can capitalize on until the election day when it goes into stratosphere. Crypto markets could be dropping. Bitcoin could be dropping in the next 6 months by as much as 40-50%. Ethereum could be dropping back under 2,000. Popular meme coins like Pepe could be dropping by as much as 90% in the next 6 months. And yet, there is going to be the winner of the show, and it's going to be the Trumpy Dance, because when the rest of the shit's got such a high probability of going lower, there's only one coin that will be going higher. And some of you still are sitting there listening to this and thinking, well, how could this be possible? If you follow the last 1,300 videos we have posted on this channel, then you would have no doubt that this is possible. There's such things as positive correlation. There's such things as negative correlation. There's such things as 13 market moves, nailing things and having a vision for things before anybody else sees it. So, this is it, guys. The timing. And this is how critical the timing is. All right? I don't care when the coin is launched or the first week it is launched. Okay, you get just a tiny little piece, because I know a tiny little piece of something that is destined for greatness, okay, is going to become something huge for you. Now, for those of you that have absolutely nothing as far as capital, you guys could come and participate. You go to www.trumpydance.com. And you can participate in the biggest airdrop in the history. You can get your share. Yes, you can invest your time and get your Trumpy tokens before they go to the moon. Now, understand, Trumpy tokens will start trading at like 0.0000 whatever. Okay? You will find out when you're watching that crazy chart on Monday go live. But guys, this Trumpy Dance coin could be in the next few months hitting $1. It could be hitting $5, okay? And look, people that will be paying $1 for it a few months from now, $5 for it, probably right before the election, okay? You get a chance to buy it for decimal fraction of a penny right now. That's what I call timing. That's what I call being a part of something before the rest of the world will be talking about it. Being a part of something so early, okay, before your friends call you about it. Okay, being a part of something before they're going to build a separate team to talk about this particular phenomena on CNBC, just like they did the same thing when Bitcoin was pumping. Guys, and I'm giving you a shot at protecting. If you're in crypto now, I'm giving you a real shot to protect your entire crypto portfolio, because if crypto drops, and I think there is a high probability that crypto will drop before it goes high. Now, this is a highly contrarian view, and for some of you that are asking, well, like, Lee, well, why can't anybody capitalize on the coin until the election day? Because it makes sense. If you believe in Trump win, why would you want to fucking sell it before that? And yet, if the rest of the crypto goes down before November 6th, what do you expect people to do? They would dump, okay? They would dump Trumpy coin because the other positions are fucking losers, okay? See, people don't sell losing positions. Okay, you know that. Look at the fucking... Okay, you've traded this week. Which positions did you close first? Your losing positions or your winning positions? You closed your winning positions first. So, we're so confident that Trumpy Dance coin is going to be the winning position for everyone that participates in it on May 13th, the first week, the first month, the second month, that when we're going into month 3, or like September, month 4, or like October, month 5, okay, crypto could be dropping, okay? And for many people that just bought Bitcoin at 60,000, 70,000, 74,000, when we're posting a video saying, hold on, don't buy it here, the shit is going to drop before it's going to go higher. But Leo, but what about the Bitcoin halving? Yeah, what about Bitcoin having your ass when you bought it at 70, 72, 74, and we told you to short it. Okay, see, it's timing. And that's what we know here, 13 market moves. We know everything about fucking timing. We know everything about charts. We sleep charts. We dream charts. We study fucking charts. Okay, we eat charts. We puke charts. Okay, we make love to charts. We do all kinds of shit to charts. That's what we are at 13 market moves, with charts and behavioral patterns and understanding how those things relate and go together. So, guys, you want to see the most crazy chart in the world? You watch it Monday, May 13th. And understand, you could be a part of this chart, or you could just get the free popcorn from 13 market moves and watch it. All right? I'm telling you, if there is one red candle on May 13th, when we launch, okay, when we launch the craziest fucking meme coin of all times, when you watch the chart on May 13th, if there is one red candle, okay, we will send you $10,000, okay, to your trading account. What, Leo? This is fucking nuts. Yeah. Just make sure it's a crypto trading account, okay? We're going to send you $10,000 worth of crypto to your trading account. If there is one single red fucking candle on the chart of Trumpy Dance Memecoin on Monday, May 13th, you're getting $10,000. So you'd better watch the show. You'd better get the free popcorn from us, sit down and watch the show. And record it if you want, because I can guarantee you there's going to be no green. There's going to be no fucking red candles. There's only going to be green fucking candle. One green candle after another green candle after another until you're going to throw the fucking popcorn in the wall saying, damn it, why didn't I fucking listen to Leo? Why didn't I listen to 13 market moves? They told me. They've recorded last 20 videos about it. They told me the timing is now. And yet I'm sitting here like an idiot watching this thing pump to the moon, eating free popcorn that 13 market moves send me, and I am not a part. I don't own any Trumpy Dance tokens. That's going to happen. So that's going to happen to those of you that are not going to schedule a call to talk to someone here at 13 Market Moves in the next couple of days before we do the launch. Okay, I'm just letting you know right now. I mean, if all you want is free popcorn, it's there, no problem. Okay, but, you know, if you want to be a part of the greatest fucking chart the world has ever seen, then be ready. Take the steps. If you don't know how to buy a meme coin, okay, call us. We'll educate you. Guys, it's free. You can sit for 100 fucking YouTube videos and learn how to do it yourself, sure. Or you can call 13 Mark Moves right now, and we'll walk you through it. It's a few simple steps, but they're quite complex if you don't know where the fuck to start. So, guys, this is timing. Timing that you get the benefit of because you have been following the channel. Okay, many people will be a part of the Trumpy Dance Memecoin, okay, despite of whether you're going to be a part of it or not. It would just be sad if you followed 13 Market Moves for a long fucking time and you weren't a part of it. So I just want to make sure whether you consider yourself just a stock options trader or whether you're taking the next step and you traded gold futures and oil futures and natural gas futures with us and you make crazy money on that, okay? Or maybe you missed that. I don't want that to be a reason for why you would miss the biggest fucking move in history of meme coins. I mean, this may not be the biggest move in the stock market history, or it could be. We're going to find out. Okay, nobody fucking knows what's going to happen on November 6th. But if you ask me, Trump is going to fucking win, and that's a fact. So, guys, enough standing on the sidelines, okay? Enough of thinking, well, I can hit $1 million, in the next 10 years. You can hit $1 million with 13 market moves, okay? You can be a part of the story. Our goal is to take 100 traders this year, 2024, okay? They'll record a testimonial. We had many fucking traders over the years, had $1 million plus, 5 million plus, 20 million plus, 30 million plus, but guess what? If you're going to hit it big, okay, I want you to record a testimony, because some of those guys that make crazy fucking money with us guys, they initially said they were going to record a testimony, but guess what? When the time came, man, they're like, man, but Leo, I got the ex-wife. If she finds out I made $30 million, man, what the fuck? I can't go public with that. Guys, look, if you have an ex-wife, whatever baggage you got, I don't care, okay? 13 market moves help you go to $1 million plus in 2024. You do the right thing. Okay, you can record an audio. I don't care. You can record something, but you got to just walk people through your journey. And I don't care how ugly it is. Okay, because my top traders, guys, they lost a shitload of money before they made a ton more, 100x more of what they lost. Okay, my top traders, okay, the story goes most of the time like this. It started... my first week I lost 20. My second week I lost another 30. I was down 50,000 before I made my first million. Okay? So, if you're going to sign up and well, Leo, I signed up to trade options. I'm down $500 in my day one. Man, if you can't even handle that, okay, that is exactly the reason why we're talking about the Trumpy Dance coin. Because I realized over the course of many years that the only way I can get 100 fucking people to hit $1 million plus, okay, possibly 1,000 guys going million plus, is if I give them a trade that they can just stick with it. They cannot jump the fuck out of it, okay? They have to stick with the bigger move. Okay, so that's what Trumpy Dance Coin represents. If you understand what I'm trying to tell you right now, it is a coin that is impossible to fuck up. Meaning, it does not, look, if you're getting emotional and you jump out of your trades when the timing is absolutely the worst, okay, if you're part of Trumpy Dance Coin, you can't do that, okay? You have to hold it for 6 fucking months. And some of you will say, Leo, but why would I hold something for 6 fucking months? I'll tell you why. Because every time you don't hold on to your good trades, you get fucked. So we've came up with a coin to which you can hold on and you're going to make money for a fact. Okay? That's how you do it. Okay? The only way to do it is, to be a part of a coin, okay, that's going to fucking go up for 6 months straight. That's how I know how to keep you guys in a fucking trade, because most of you get too fucking emotional when something dips and you jump out. So everybody holds. Everybody fucking holds, and there's going to be more and more people buying this coin. If you got, look, I know it sounds crazy, okay? I know it sounds fucking crazy, and some of you are like, man, this sound, Leo, this just, but this sounds just wild and crazy, okay? It's supposed to sound wild and crazy, okay? It is supposed to sound like this, guys, because most of you just simply, okay, you're focusing on day trading. Jump in now. Some goes up $5, fucking sell it. God forbid. You're the kind of trader like, oh, something goes up $1, I'm out. Fuck, Leo, I just made a 5% of my trade. No, stop. Just stop. That's why, you don't hit millions. Okay, because you keep jumping out of good fucking trades that can pay you exponentially. So stick with one fucking trade in 2024, and that's Trumpy Dance Memecoin. Do it. Do it for humanity. Do it for your bank account. Do it for your family, okay? The timing is now. If you got any other questions, guys, all right, I got a bunch of people calling me trying to get more information about this. Guys, look, we got to roll, but I want you guys to roll big. And if you're in a position to roll big, you got to fucking go big on this Trumpy Dance Memecoin. Timing. Remember, timing is everything. Do it big.